In the case of a flood or fire, residential water damage restoration services can help your home get back to its pre-flood condition. They can handle all of the necessary repairs and restoration work, including electrical needs, temporary drying facilities, mold testing, and removal. Regardless of the size of your water damage, a professional company can help you recover from the effects of the disaster. They can also assist you in the process of getting your home back in tip-top shape. Once you've contacted a water damage restoration company, the first thing to do is get your home dry. You want to minimize the growth of mold and mildew by drying your home as soon as possible. Once the water has dried, it's difficult to remove it and prevent a future flood. This is especially important for damaged carpets, as they're susceptible to absorbing water and becoming soaked. If you've hired a water damage restoration company, they'll have specialized equipment and trained technicians that can restore your home to its former glory. The first step is containing the water source. Once the leak has been controlled, call a professional company to begin the repair process. This will ensure the quickest possible restoration of your home. Your insurance company can also send an adjuster to assess the extent of the damage and help you get the maximum amount of reimbursement. A certified restoration company will be able to explain to you the process and explain any terms and conditions that you should know about. Whether or not you have a flood, it's vital to contact a professional residential water damage restoration company. These experts are experienced in assessing the extent of water damage and repairing damaged materials. They will restore your home to its original condition. If you can handle the water damage cleanup yourself, you can do it yourself, but if you're not sure, you're better off hiring a professional. This way, you can rest assured that you'll receive the best quality service possible. While you may be able to handle the water damage restoration process yourself, you'll still need a professional team. An ECRC certified professional will use best practices and the latest technology in the field to make your home completely safe. If you're trying to do it yourself, make sure you wear protective gear and determine what you can salvage. In addition to hiring an ECRC certified expert, you'll also be sure that your home will be thoroughly cleaned. The first step of residential water damage restoration is to assess the extent of the damage. Depending on the scope of the damage, a water damage restoration project can be simple or extensive. After the initial cleanup phase, the water damage restoration specialist will inspect the home for structural integrity and any damages. The job may include replacing or repairing certain materials. If the damage is extensive, the team will replace all the damaged materials. You'll need to contact a professional if you have any questions. Upon determining the extent of the damage, a water damage restoration specialist will assess the extent of the damages. They will wear protective gear and dispose of any damaged materials removed during the cleaning phase. Once the water damage restoration specialists are finished, they will restore your home back to its pre-damage state. They will also inspect the areas affected by the water and determine which are salvageable. This process may take several days to complete, so a skilled professional can save you time and money by handling all of the necessary steps. Having the water damaged is an inconvenience and should be taken care of by a professional. You can do the restoration yourself or hire a professional for this purpose. While doing it yourself may save you money, it also has its downsides. Incorrectly disinfected materials can lead to a higher cost for restoring a property. It is important to call a water damage restoration specialist to clean and restore your home after the disaster has occurred.